Good evening, Rutgers. I'm your weather watcher, Nick Brennan, here to bring you this Wednesday, September 12th, 2018 evening forecast. Let's get right into it, shall we? Looking at our almanac for today, we can give you a recap of what happened today. We had an actual low of 71 and an actual high of 82. This is a little bit warmer for our time of year. Our low is average is 57, and our average high is 79. But these are nowhere near our records of 39 degrees set back in 1917 and 98 set back in 1983. Our sunrise and sunset times are located at the bottom of your screen. As we look at our headlines, we can see we're going to give you a big update on what's going on with Hurricane Florence. A little bit of good news, but still not great news. Update on the local rain, and we have a beautiful weekend in store for us as well. So as we take a look at Hurricane Florence right now, we can see what's going on here. It is weakened to a Category 3 hurricane. Winds at 115 miles per hour. Pressure is at 953 millibars, and it's traveling northwest at 16 miles per hour. So what does this mean? It was a Category 4 earlier today, and that means that it is weakened in its winds, and its winds are starting to die down. We're hopeful, and we're not going to say anything, but we're hoping that these winds continue to die down as it approaches the coast, and as it approaches the coast, these winds die down, and the wind threat of the storm becomes a lot less significant. However, as we look at the models, from what we can see in the path that it's going to take, it's going to more so curve southward, more into the southern North Carolina area, and mostly over South Carolina. And the biggest problem about this storm is it's massive, and the biggest thing about it is the rain that's going to come down. It is going to be wet, and it is going to give a lot of rain in a short amount of time, and it's expected to linger and sit there. It is not good for the inland coast, and it is going to cause a lot of flooding in the area. It's a very dangerous situation, and please tell people to prepare at all costs necessary. It is very dangerous for those out there, and tell them to evacuate if they can. As we look at our satellite right now in our area and in the northeast, we could see Hurricane Florence as it makes its approach. But in our area, we can see we have a lot better of a situation for us. A couple of storms coming through the area, a couple of showers here and there, but nothing too significant. And as we look at the futurecast for the northeast area, we can see these outer bands are going to come in. But as Hurricane Florence makes landfall, it is going to sit, like I said, sit inward. It is going to sit there and dump a lot of rain. Looking at our lows for tonight, though, we can see we're having a much more fortunate situation. 70 degrees here in New Brunswick, 66 up in Sussex, and 70s across most of the state. As we pan out to the greater northeast, though, we could see a similar story. 60s mostly northward, and 70s mostly southward. And as we look ahead for tonight, we can see these storms are going to linger. 70 degrees for the low tonight with a southeast wind at 5 miles per hour. These storms are going to be earlier on in the evening, and they're going to dissipate as the night goes on, but we can expect some fog later in the evening. And as we're waking up tomorrow, we have this chance of showers, 73 degrees with a south wind at 2 miles per hour. So bring an umbrella if you want to, keep it on hand. And as I step off for your 7-day forecast, we can see Thursday 79 degrees, Friday 76 degrees, and Saturday 79 degrees. These storms are going to creep in and keep around in our area. But by Sunday, we should be clearing out 80 degrees with mostly sunny skies. And Monday should be a beautiful day as well, 79 degrees. But some evening showers are likely, and the rain chances come back Tuesday into Wednesday. And as always, Rutgers, if you want to stay updated on everything weather-related, tune into channel 23.1 every 15 minutes, or follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/RUWeatherWatcher. Follow us on Twitter as well at RUTV, WW, use that hashtag RUWeather. And as well, check out our YouTube page at RUTV Weather Watcher. I'm your weather watcher, Nick Brennan. Everybody who knows somebody in the path of this hurricane, please tell them to evacuate and remain safe. Have a great evening, though, Rutgers.